Bro out here, JetSkis, man. That's handy. We made it out.
Fucking wild easy birthday.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
We made it out the group chat, so let's go around the way. You got TV right here. Like I said, it's a junior suite. It's a Bayview junior suite. TV.
Welcome to Billionaire Dreams, the life everybody wish they could live. Only a chosen few make it.
In Miami. We here, Hilton Downtown, Miami. Pull right up to the Hilton to the front.
What's up, bro? Man, what's happening, man? You already know, man. First day, we just took down in Miami. First day of the guys' trip. Checking into the hotel.
It's all good.
We ain't even hit the Bahamas yet.
Right. Let's get it, yo. Let's go. Skane. As bro. As bro says, Skyami, aka Miami, all the Emmys. We're here. I guess check. It's a guys trip, y'all. So remember, guys trip on 1202. Bam. Come in. Oh, that thing nice. Come in. Go straight to the right. Let me sit this thing down. You got the closet right here. So when you walk in, big. What the view look like? Oh yeah, I'm looking at the view right now. That shit crazy. Oh hell yeah, oh boy. Oh dang. So you got the bathroom right across from where we just came in and over there. So got dang on.
Guys' trip.
For real. So now,
Guys' trip, man.
what's handy?
Long live
We made it out.
Fucking wild easy birthday.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
We made it out the group chat, so let's go around the way. You got a TV right here. Like I said, it's a junior suite. It's a Bayview junior suite. TV. This a lamp look like. Turn it on somewhere. Got storage, got the remote. Yeah, but look at that view. Hey, it's crazy. And then they go our rooftop pool right there. So that's the rooftop pool.
Let me see. I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I seen it from this side. Okay. That's why.
And then see over there, you see where all the yachts and stuff right there. See, so we'll see our cruise ship coming in tomorrow, or yeah, we'll see it coming in, or any one of them coming in. But it'll dock right there. That look like the MSC Seashore or something down there right now, or Seascape, Seaside, whichever. I can't tell which one it is. But
it's the gold right here.
yeah, so they're bringing our luggage up. Let's go get the door. The city view at night, man. packed out here. Guys working join the course, it's a line. I'm sorry, excuse me. Well, let's go. Got the tacos over here. Blue boiler container. Right. Nah, I ain't up yet. Bathroom, what it look like. Right here. You know, closet. Closet space for days. Still waiting on bro other luggage to come up. So, bro right here chilling on the sofa/sofa bed. Got a table, of course. All this desk area and stuff like that. Got the mirror, the lamp, bed. They're gonna have to split that. I gotta call them in a second. And then the main thing y'all want to see is the balcony. It's an extended balcony in the back. We got like 3 chairs on the thing. We still in port. So I'm walking in to Celebration Key, man. I've been waiting on this for a while. I had this planned out months. It might even been the beginning, the end of last year when we started planning this trip. And so I'm ready, let's go. So walking up to the sign now. Finna turn around so y'all can see. Hey, y'all wanna go to the beach? I wanna go to the beach too. Let's go to the beach, man. Let's see what's going on over here at the beach area. Hey. Oh, I'm pointing to the wrong side, but of course, because it's over here. Walking up on Starfish Beach. See the arch right there. Here's Gills Grills, Seafood and More.
Good morning, welcome.
Hey, good morning, how are you? Hey, good morning. So y'all see what they got here, man. Of course, you know it's a bar as well. So, yeah. Pearl Cove Beach Club. That's cool. Let me get out the way. Tram. Them trams run like clockwork too, bro.
I've been calling your phone.
Oh, what's up, man? Man, I'm walking around getting footage. Look at my brother, y'all, man, right here.
What's happening, man?
What's going on?
I'm trying to find you. I'm glad everything worked out. We're gonna go into town, bro.
Into the town.
Yeah, man.
We're out here, JetSkis, man. Yeah.